Well, with a hybrid learning model, the Fayetteville-Manlius School District will be going with an all-remote start this morning and then welcoming some students back into the classroom tomorrow. But when they do, the focus at FM and many other schools won't be just on education, reading, writing, and arithmetic. Julia LeBlanc joins us now live from FM High School. Julia, tell me about the focus they're making here on social-emotional learning.
Well, Dan, it's a focus we're really seeing in schools all across New York State, and specifically here for the FM district. It's one of the first things they'll be taking care of as soon as students log on today. Remotely, they'll be taking a survey on where they are with their mental health right now. And for the younger students, of course, their parents will fill out that survey so that the schools can then address those needs and educate the students on how to take care of themselves.
They don't feel safe emotionally, they're not going to feel ready to learn.
When schools shut down in the spring, Heidi Green and her team started counseling kids online, trying to help the students not only with the loss of life, but major milestones. Green says remote counseling went better than expected, but it comes at a cost.
And there's definitely a loss of privacy. So when students are at home, their sibling might be next door to the, in the room next to them, or their parent might be close by, and they may not have the comfort level to disclose some information they might otherwise disclose.
With the hybrid model, most students will be in the classroom 2 days a week, and they can schedule appointments with the counselors either in person or online on their own time. Plus, everyone will fill out a mental health survey, allowing the schools to take care of serious cases first. There's also a major push to make social emotional learning part of everyday instruction.
So we're really working hard to make sure that they feel comfortable and confident being back here by sharing out lots of information.
And information is power, says Dr. Tanya Pelletieri, who's been counseling kids through her own practice during the pandemic. As everything reopens, she's getting a lot more calls.
Going back to school, I've seen a huge uptick in a lot of those anxious behaviors, lashing out, avoidance, clinginess, that we hadn't seen in a long time.
Something they're all hoping will change once students get back into the swing of things.
I think for the anxious student, just to know that we're so excited to have them back in class and to have the opportunity to work with them directly, see them in person, and make this a good place for them to learn.
Now, FM also has 2 new therapy dogs they hope to utilize this year after piloting the program last year. Green says she notices a huge difference as soon as she brings the dogs to the kids. For the kids that do want to see them, she sees a calm just wave over them. So they're hoping that will also be helpful for this school year. Live in Manlius, Julia LeBlanc, News Channel 9.